Key terms in stock analysis. Market capitalization definition, the total value of a company's outstanding shares. Formula, market cap equals share price times number of shares. Example, if Infosys share price equals 1,500 rupees, total shares equals 400 crore. Then market cap equals 1,500 rupees times 400 crore equals 600,000 crore. Ratio, price to earnings ratio. Definition, shows how much investors are willing to pay for 1 rupee of the company's earnings. Formula, PE ratio equals share price divided by earnings per share, EPS. Small orange diamond emoji. Example, share price equals 100 rupees, EPS equals 5 rupees, PE ratio equals 100, 5 equals 20. Right pointing finger emoji. A high PE might indicate the stock is overvalued, or has high growth expectations, while a low PE may indicate undervaluation. When to use, when evaluating whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued. Best used for comparing companies within the same sector. Left magnifying glass emoji. How to use, compare a company's PE with its historical PE. Industry average competitors' PE.